Preview.
Hello friends, this is Manigandan, founder and CEO of LeTechs. In this video, you will learn how to log in your demo and live account on the Android MT5 application. Still, if you don't have a trading account on Deriv.com, check in this video description box, click on the account opening link and create your trading account within 2 minutes. So next we will see how to log in our demo and live account on the Android MT5 application. So if you already downloaded and installed the Android MT5 apps on your device, just to open the MT5 app or just click on the MetaTrader 5 Android application download link in the description box and tap on install. Or other option, go to Play Store and search MT5 or MetaTrader 5, then tap on install. Once your MT5 app installed, follow the steps to log into your demo or live account in MT5. So first open your MT5 or MetaTrader 5 on your phone. Next tap on the hamburger icon on the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Once open the menu, tap on manage accounts. So now tap on the plus sign top right side corner of the screen. Next search your broker's name. The account login screen opens. Input your login and password and select server name. So now we are opening demo account. So select server name demo and tap on the login button. Your demo account now open. So hereafter you can trade in your demo account. Same as next we will see how to log in our real account on MetaTrader 5 app. So just tap on the hamburger icon again in the top left side corner of the screen to open the menu. Once open the menu, tap on manage accounts. So now tap on the plus sign top right side corner of the screen. Again input your real account login user ID as login ID and password and select your server. So Deriv, they are providing 2 servers. So in my account under Deriv server, so I am selecting server and tap on the login button. So now my real account has been opened. So hereafter I can trade real account. Almost you cleared about how to download MT5 application in Android mobiles. The same as how to log in demo account and real account in MT5 Android application. Suppose still if you have a doubts about, regarding this topics, just you can text me in WhatsApp or text in comment box. So I try to clarify you directly or upcoming videos. Okay friends, okay, thanks for watching this video.